Hi, welcome to Mystical Akashic Tarot. I want to do an Akashic Records reading for today. Let's find out what the Akashic Records want us to know. Okay, thank you, angels. I have pay attention. You're being asked to pay extra close attention to the signs you're being given, both the subtle ones and the ones that can't be missed. These signs will help you see how to move best forward in order to live your best life. Yeah. Pay attention to the signs, all the synchronicities. Follow them. They're guiding you. I hope you like my reading. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.